Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make white sauce noodles without milk. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 tablespoons of butter or a dairy-free alternative, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 1/2 cups of vegetable broth. Don't forget your favorite pasta, like fettuccine or spaghetti, and seasonings such as garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of black pepper. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and delicious meal. Now, let's create the foundation for our sauce. In a medium saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter or your dairy-free substitute over medium heat. Once melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir continuously for about 1 minute until the mixture forms a smooth paste and turns a light golden color. This roux is crucial for thickening our sauce and giving it that rich, creamy texture without any dairy. Next, we'll transform our roux into a luscious sauce. Slowly pour in 1 1/2 cups of vegetable broth, whisking continuously to avoid any lumps. Keep stirring until the sauce is smooth and well combined. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for about 5 minutes or until it reaches your desired thickness. Season with garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper to taste, adjusting as needed for perfect flavor. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your freshly cooked noodles directly into the saucepan with the white sauce. Toss gently to ensure every strand is coated in that delicious, creamy goodness. Serve immediately, perhaps garnished with some fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor. This dish is incredibly satisfying and completely dairy-free. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.